Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all tune in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for tuning in today. I just want to address something real quick on the giveaway video. I've replied to lots of messages about a scam that's going on. I will never personally contact y'all wanting money for shipping or anything. Whatever I'm giving away, I'm paying for shipping. I'll never ask you for a code, your mailing address, or anything like that unless it's through a video, okay? You'll hear me on the video because whenever I check, I get them random comments next Tuesday, January 2nd, 6:30 p.m., going live. I'll reply to that comment requesting your information to ship you the prize that you won live on video. So whenever I do giveaways, I'm not going to be requesting saying you or want to talk to you about a Christmas gift or nothing like that, or I'll never do that. It's always going to be through a video. So please remember that. So thanks again, guys, for all the support, all the views, all the subscribers. I hate this is going on. I wish this wouldn't happen, but there's some evil people out there, some that want to do wrong and harm to other folks. But all you can say is bless their hearts and move on, block them, and report them. That's all we can do, guys. But thank you again for letting me know. In this video, guys, I'm going back to Ruth's Flea Market to hunt for knives. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Guys, we're back here at Ruth's Flea Market in Fivepoints, Alabama. We're going to try to find some knives.
Thank you. Start out 2024 in a good way.
Yeah.
I figured I come in here and set up. See if I see them.
I'm glad you're still kicking anyway.
It says like,
How y'all doing?
hey buddy, how you doing?
I got different prices on them. I got these three, that one, and that one are all Gerber knives.
Yes, sir.
That's just, I don't even know what brand that one
Yeah,
is.
it's China made. Nice shoes right there.
These are little utility knives.
Yes, sir.
Give me $4 for it.
Okay. I'll think about that one. I'll give you 3 for it. All right.
No,
There you go, bud. Thank you, man.
thank you. Ain't got nothing but Florida on, dude.
Ain't many people here today. Morning, sir.
Good morning.
I bought from you the last time. You got any knives or anything?
I sure don't.
You don't?
I don't have any. I've got a few at home, but I didn't bring them.
Okay. Well, it's good to see you again,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You have a good Christmas?
I did.
Me
It
too.
was good.
Me too. You from Pine Mountain, right?
That's right.
Yes, sir. We just went up there and camped. I love that town.
Down at State Park.
Mm-hmm. I love that town, man. You got a good places to eat down there.
Yeah. Now, where are you from?
From Sly County, from
Yeah.
in Ellaville. That's right.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. And it's about an hour and 20 minutes from there, from my house.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Ain't many folks here today,
They
now.
ain't very many. They sure ain't.
Yeah, yes, sir. We always like driving over here, though.
Yeah.
It's a good place to.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go back down to Columbus.
Right.
But it's good seeing you, sir.
You too, man.
We'll see you again.
All right.
Is that a Zippo there?
Yeah.
What you want for it?
It's 10.
10? I see. And what about your little?
Side buster.
Uh-huh.
It's 20.
Look at it. Yeah, I'll do that for 10. Take, it's 15 for it. You want? Got any more knives in there?
Just that Kershaw.
What you want for it? Is that a USA? That is a USA.
Yeah.
Mate. What you want for it?
It's 15.
15. That's a little sky in there, ain't it? It's like the tips have been broke before. I tell you what, I'm gonna look around and I might come back and talk with you, but I'm gonna give you 10 for that. Everybody. Thank you, man.
Yeah. $10.
Some good stuff, man.
I'm about sad to keep it.
Yeah. Real handy too.
That's
That's all the knives we got.
150, 250. Wow. 150. What kind of this? I have a bear knife at home.
There's a bunch of bears in there.
Yeah, that's pretty. That's a Gerber.
Yeah.
Old one too. That's pretty.
I looked up Gerbers just in this case. Probably need to set it out on top of it.
Yeah. That's pretty, man. Pretty. So what do you want for these?
$10 a piece.
$2. I'm looking around now. There ain't many folks here today, are there?
No, sir.
What do you want for this set here?
I need 500 out of that set.
It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
Pearl, a stag, and a bone.
It's beautiful.
It's got a price $5.5 on the back of that box, but that's 500 get me out of it.
Okay.
There's a pound 55 Alabamas.
What do you want for those?
They're 100 piece, 200 for the pair,
Okay.
100 for the Tennessee, and 30 on them Nebraska tags.
You got knives all the way around here, huh?
Yeah, they were 30 a piece on them case.
Okay. That's a side buster there, ain't it? That's pretty. You ain't got none with like broken tips or anything that need some knives with broken tips or anything that need to be repaired.
I sure don't.
What's your price right here? Can you just how much is that? We'll just start with.
I black that there.
Oh, is it? Oh,
yeah, it's
Beautiful.
Lock back.
Good looking knives.
Okay. And then how much is this? What's he selling them for?
What's the price on these pistols?
310, 350, and 450.
Yeah, it enlarges, like, almost like something, you put something in it.
Yes, sir. Pues métele la mano, güey.
Zippo right there. Queen.
Oh, I love that it is. Okay, thank you. Okay, that's awesome. And look at the screen, something Zippo barrel. What is it? 16 gauge or 12 gauge? 15 gauge?
You got any knives, man? Some pocket knives or anything?
I've got some, but they just so junk.
Or that right here?
Yes.
I'll go through them.
Some of them won't stay with me.
That's a China made. Yeah. All right, buddy. Appreciate it, man.
One of the good duffel bags.
It is. That's very nice.
No toes, no holes.
What you asking for?
15.
15. I'll think about it. I'm looking around now, man. Only brought so much cash. I'm trying to find me some knives that I can work on.
5 on there and 1 man.
I did.
Did you bring your knives today?
I did not.
You did not. Okay.
I actually got some in the truck somewhere, but I don't know where they at. If I knew when you was coming, I'd load a bunch of them up.
Yeah, I like the ones with broken tips and broken handles and stuff. All right, buddy. I'll probably be back in a few weeks.
I got one. It's the craziest thing I've ever seen in the world, man. My 12-year-old grandbaby had that conversation. I don't know why she brought it up. She brought it up. But we don't.
Guys, it really wasn't that many people here today. I did wind up buying a Zippo and a Coyote Knife made in the USA. So now we're gonna go visit some pawn shops in Columbus, Georgia. Guys, we're at Pawn City in Lynette, Alabama. We're gonna go in there and see what kind of knives they got, if they got any at all. Look at here, look at here. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that Ruth's Flea Market knife hunt. I did find some pawn shops, and you will not believe the prices and the knives I found at these 2 pawn shops. That video will be out tomorrow. Again, it will be way too long, and I just don't want to do that to y'all. So I found a few items here, really good items, but I found a lot of good stuff in these pawn shops. I'm going to say it again, you never know what you find in pawn shops. So the pawn shop video will be out tomorrow morning. So be looking for it. So y'all have a great day, guys. Thank y'all for tuning in. I just want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.